How to fix Google Voice not available in your country. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, what you can do is launch the Play Store application on a device and make sure you have an updated version of Google. So let's search for Google as well over here. Now let's tap on it, and as we do that, we only have the options to uninstall or open, so we do not get the option to check it. So if we want to check for Google Voice over here as well, you can see there's no direct options. So what we can do over here is, if you do not have the availability of Google Voice, you can simply launch the Play Store application and search for any sort of VPN, and you'll be getting different sort of options over here. You can download whichever is more convenient for you and you can install it, and with that you can change your country accordingly, and that way you can fix the Google Voice not availability. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.